on the last Champs Cooking Contest.
Let's get cooking!
Chris and Nic had an epic gyudon battle that put all their cooking skill to the test.
Hope he doesn't put that.
What?
Something absolutely wrong here.
But after a close contest, there could only be one winner.
The winner is Chris!
Today, 2 new contestants will be battling it out to see who will face Chris in the final. First up, from Ryotaro's Japan, it's...
Ryotaro Sakura!
Ryotaro today will be facing Sharla, who I won't punch, to see who can make the tastiest tempura in only 35 minutes.
Welcome, Sharla! Thank you for coming to my channel!
Thank you so much for inviting me.
And judging the hopefully crispy and light finished dish, once again, is MEILYNE.
Welcome, MEILYNE!
I come in peace, I come in peace. You guys are like all coming in fighting, so I was like, friendly here.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh no.
Just like last time, MEILYNE will be judging our contestants on technique, presentation, and taste.
It tastes like something else.
So let's see who has what it takes to be the next champ of cooking. But before we begin,
I'd like to say a big thank you to Tokyo Treat and Sakurako for sponsoring today's video, who made today's contest possible.
Yay!
Yay!
a big thanks to Tokyo Treat and Sakurako for sponsoring my cooking contest. I've shown you guys a lot of the great treats they have to offer you in the past, and I'm always so surprised by just how much great stuff you get. Tokyo Treat gets you a bunch of seasonal and exclusive flavors of sweet snacks, while Sakurako gets you locally made wagashi, which are traditional Japanese sweets as well as a beautiful postcard and tableware each month. That's pretty subarashi. Speaking of subarashi, let's make today's dish. If you're interested in learning how to make tempura yourself, you can check out my previous video. But the main things that Sharla and Ryotaro will have to pay attention to is preparing their vegetables so they're thin enough to cook all the way through without burning, making sure they use the right ratio of cake flour to starch, that's 6:4, and mixing, but not over mixing with ice cold soda water, and making sure that the temperature of the oil stays at 170 Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit. There are some other small tips and tricks which I will explain later, but easy enough to understand, right guys?
Too many procedures, too many numbers, and looking very hard, especially for the computer. But what do you think, Sharla?
Ask me in about 20 minutes.
Okay, now Sharla and Ryotaro are ready to make their own tempura. It's time to get started. Let's see who can make the crispiest and delicious tempura in only 35 minutes.
So let's go!
Oh, I'm starting. Okay. Now washing the vegetable.
First up is the vegetables. Ryotaro starting off while cutting the harder vegetables thinner.
Good.
I also showed these guys how to do kazarigiri with eggplant and mushrooms, which are decorative cuts. They could get some more points for technique if they do this well.
Gonna start with this because this looked really hard. Hey, that turned out better than I thought it would. All right, good start.
Yeah. Taco, the octopus.
In terms of technique, who's better right now with their
Right now?
technique?
I think Sharla looks very calm.
Can just cut it. Oh, f***ing hell!
Just
Can
yeah.
oh my God, what's going on over there?
I'm killing people.
Gee, oh my God, is that your finger?
Or maybe not. But still, compared to last time,
I want to speak, but I'm just too scared to speak. When I'm cutting.
I think, okay, I saw. The best way not to lose a finger is the other way.
Yeah, but then it was like going towards his hand.
Oh. I don't want to watch someone lose their finger over his finger.
Nice.
Sharla has started to cut her sweet potato into cute little heart shapes. And Ryotaro is
It's not as beautiful as.
Doing his best. But all in all, things seem to be going well as these two prepared their vegetables. One tricky technique is using a knife to peel things like carrots. It takes a lot of skill to make sure you don't end up wasting too much.
I think it's just not worth the risk. I would definitely lose a finger. So we're cheating a little bit, but it's not gonna make any difference in the flavor, so it's all good.
I guess that works too.
It's the trash together with
Yes,
the...
trash together.
For flavor, for flavor.
Flavor, it's a full flavor is better.
Oh. Very thick. Oh, it's with the stem.
Yes.
Oh, is that texture gonna give
Of course, give extra
okay.
crunchiness.
extra crunches? This is exciting. I've never seen that before, but surely it will be good.
Now, Sharla and Ryotaro seem to have had no problems remembering the proportion of the dry ingredients. Probably because they could hear each other.
We should both have like headphones on.
Another task they have to deal with is making time to prepare the dipping sauce for tempura, which can be a little difficult to do as it requires extracting umami flavor from kombu kelp and making dashi stock.
But I've decided I'm not gonna make the dashi in the dipping sauce because when I tried Yosuke's, it tasted better with just the salt. You could taste the flavor of the vegetables more, so.
Am I joke to you, Sharla?
Can I get the tansan? Who has the tansan?
Don't look!
Now, it seems like everyone is ready to fry. Will these guys remember to make sure the oil temperature is hot enough by dipping in a small bit of batter like I showed them?
And just scoop it a little bit and just take it. And it's not floating. It means that it's too early.
Okay, so we gotta start with the vegetables that are taking a long time to cook. So that would be sweet potato. So cute.
Really cute heart-shaped sweet potatoes.
That's it. Yep. Right moment. Right moment. But I'm gonna start from the hard vegetables, which in this case is pumpkin.
Maybe I'll do the pumpkin next.
It's starting to smell good. I love closing my eyes and hearing things fry. It's like, sounds so good. If that was like a morning alarm clock, I wouldn't mind.
It's really hard to like watch two things at the same time. This is for dashi. This is for dashi. I'm just trying to get the umami out of the kombu seaweed.
I feel like the hardest vegetable is the sweet potato because it's so thick. So you have to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Yosuke said about 3 minutes, but I don't have a timer. So.
One way to tell your vegetables are done frying is that the bubbles around it begins to become smaller.
Okay.
It smells really good over here. Ooh, how's it going? How's it going?
I think it's doing all right. I'm doing all
Yeah,
right.
those
But
are-
just there's like a last thing I have to do, which I'm most not confident with the kakiage.
Oh, what's hard about?
Oh,
Yeah,
it's just the mixing. It's just mixing vegetables. These ones that are not correctly cut. so mixing them and then like trying to make it look like the kakiage that he made before. It's the hardest thing.
Are you adding anything special into it?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Secret.
It's a secret? Okay,
It's a secret. So don't.
Looking forward
just
to it.
please,
Looking
please,
forward
please,
to
please,
it.
please. And I'm making a sauce. A lot better than I thought.
Today, I also showed Sharla and Ryotaro how to make kakiage, which is a mixed tempura made with thinly sliced cuts of vegetables. This can be tricky as it requires adding a little bit more flour to the mixture, and you have to be careful not to let it fall apart when you fry.
Again, like trying to take the temperature up to 170 degrees, I guess.
270.
How's it going over here?
I'm going to try the making the kakiage. So this could be a disaster. We will see. So he dipped it in a little bit first to cook the bottom. Let it cook, and then try and get it out of the scoop.
Ballard has such great composure, very calm.
Right.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
All right, there we go. It's good. He said just 1 minute for this one.
I thought maybe a good flair that they could have done is maybe chop up the shiso, you know, mix it into the batter.
Oh, look, it's special guest judge Chris. He's here to eat all the tempura.
I saw you eating some already, though.
You know, there's some thieves in this studio somehow, and I need to be really careful of what when I make stuff. Stubby British peasant right there, the judge. I refuse to be judged.
He likes everything, don't worry.
All in all, it seems like Sharla and Ryotaro have really remembered everything I taught them and stayed relatively calm.
Ow! The oil's spraying everywhere.
But now, can they finish off everything as time is ticking away?
5 minutes left.
Okay.
You guys.
Easy peasy.
I don't know about that one, but it's okay. It's just going to Chris.
Do you watch any anime or read manga?
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Time is over.
Got it!
Are you guys done?
What a mess.
I know, right? It's so messy.
To win Champ's cooking contest, you gotta be tough. You gotta have stamina. Nothing's gonna stop you from winning. Nothing's gonna stand in your way. Nothing's... I'm feeling pretty hungry. Good job, I have Tokyo Treat and Sakurako. With Tokyo Treat, every month you will get special snacks based around a seasonal theme. For February, that theme is Valentine's. You can get lots of great chocolatey snacks, perfect as a gift for that special someone. And if you'd like some more traditional Valentine snacks, Sakurako has you covered. You even get this cute decorative bowl and delicious authentic Japanese teas. So if you want to experience Japan for yourself, check out my links below and get $5 off with code CHAMP. Now it's time to get on with the tasting.
So, let's start with Ryotaro's.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm ready.
Please do.
I'm ready. It looks very shiny. I wonder what special.
Well,
special-
okay. These ones are like ordinary, right? And these sweet potatoes, I mixed honey into the flour.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Have you ever done that before?
No.
So challenging.
We'll try the
Which one again?
this normal
Okay.
potato
Number one.
first.
Let's
And then
start
also,
with normal.
I made dashi sauce as
Oh,
well.
yeah.
Here we go.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not
Okay,
bad, not
okay,
bad.
not bad. Try this one and see the difference.
It's quite a mouthful though.
Oh, it is. Yeah, we just said. Yeah, it is.
It's like the moment I started chewing on it, it just took all the moisture out of my
Yeah,
mouth.
right, exactly right.
Yeah. But it would be very, very delicious with like hot tea.
Charlotte's turn?
Your
Okay.
turn.
Yeah.
Charlotte.
So I decided not to make the dashi because when I tried Yosuke's version, I preferred it a lot better with the salt.
I love the presentation though. Presentation's amazing.
Good, yeah.
Course meal, this was the buffet. It's
Right.
great, it's
There's a
great.
really nice buffet too.
Yeah.
Right.
I want to try the hearts. They are so cute.
Oh, hearts.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, yeah.
So surprised. I thought it was gonna be raw in the middle, but it's cooked.
Does it take your water out of
Juicy.
it?
Oh,
It's still juicy. It's juicy. It's
Right?
actually juicy.
Yeah.
A juice. Oh wow.
Still juicy, actually.
What did you do to it?
just timed it correctly.
They're both good. I just have to sit and think about it.
Sometimes buffet's good too.
Yeah. Yeah, but buffets are good.
And so finally, me and MEILYNE took to the judging table to decide our favorite tempura. Both Sharla and Ryotaro did very well in remembering most of the ingredients. Although Ryotaro was a bit messy with his cuts, Sharla also took the time to make hers as well presented as possible, but decided not to make the dipping sauce for the tempura, something that would have shown more technical skill.
So, we've made a decision, and today's winner.
Oh, f***ing hell.
Sharla!
Thank
The presentation was perfect.
Yeah, presentation was fantastic. Buffet's great, but you had the hearts and you evenly placed it.
So, Ryotaro,
Okay.
your dish was good volume,
I knew that.
yeah, and good cost performance.
I knew that too.
Uh-huh. But you're a loser.
It was like Costco. He could feed the whole family.
Just don't compare with me with Costco. All right, it's just I made it for the whole family. You, and all the cameraman, and did it for them, and now you're making me a loser. How cool is that? How cool is that?
Once again, congratulations, Sharla.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
So this means you will go against Chris in the final.
I sure win.
I'll show you! I'll get you in the kitchen.
You might as well make me champion now. I don't think there's any competition here.
And there you have it, guys. Sharla wins. Make sure to watch the final contest with Sharla and Chris coming very soon.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for watching. And remember, after we eat the meal, we all say,
What's
"What's up,
I'll try kaki with salt in my case.
So how's it?
Juicy.
Juicy.
Really juicy.
Wow.
And the batter is really light.